Hello students, I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss the next 5 questions for choose the correct substitute type questions. So let us get started. I hope you have your notebook and pen with you for this one as well. Right. So this is the 6th question. We'll start with this. If you want to check the first 5 questions, please refer to our previous video, where we have discussed the first 5 questions. All right. So let us get started for this one. Choose the correct substitute for the phrase a person who studies the origin and history of words. So the person who studies origin and history of words is basically etymologist. Okay, who is anthropologist? Anthropologist is somebody who studies human culture and how human society has evolved over the period of time. Who is geologist? Geologist is somebody who studies physical structure of earth and everything related to that. Who is philologist? Philologist is somebody who studies languages in the historical text and their relationship. Okay. Yes, now let us check the next question. Next is 7th question. And here we have to choose the correct substitute for this phrase. A decision that cannot be reversed. A decision that cannot be reversed is basically irreversible. But what about this? Immutable. Immutable means something which is not subject to change. We don't expect it to change basically. Irrefutable, which cannot be denied. Which cannot be denied. Incorrigible. Incorrigible means something that does not show that capacity and flexibility to change basically. That is incorrigible. Next is question number 8. Let us see what we have to what substitute we have to find for which phrase in question number 8. It says the practice of eating human flesh. Practice of eating human flesh. Basically, this practice is called as cannibalism, where humans eat humans, other humans. What is barbarism? Barbarism basically means extreme cruelty, which has no bounds and limits. Paganism. What is paganism? Paganism basically means uh, who is a pagan? Pagan is a person who does not believe in one god. Somebody who believes there are multiple gods, or somebody who does not believe in God at all. He also can be called as pagan in a way, right? So that is paganism. Primitivism. Primitivism means somebody who idealizes simple life, primitive times where technology was not there, where so much of development was not there. When somebody idealizes those times, or when uh, not somebody, that person is basically called as primitive, but the concept of idealizing simple life is primitivism. All right, the next question now. Choose the correct substitute for the phrase a person who derives pleasure from inflicting pain on others. Sad, right? Yes, so that person is called as sadistic or sadist, not sadistic, sadist, who is deriving pleasure from inflicting pain on others. These other words you have to find out the meaning for. Okay, please click a picture of this or note them down. All right. So this is how you have to solve, uh, questions for choose the substitute. And there are other question types also which we are going to solve here for the same type in a way. They are not different question types, but there are different questions basically that we are going to solve in this series. So what I want you to do is please learn these words, because there is no shortcut to it, right? You have to make sure that you know these words. And how will you know these words? You will know these words only by solving a lot of questions based on this, basically this question type. So make sure that you are solving questions as much as possible. All right, so see you in the next video.